Create a new graphic page. To add a new page, navigate in the plant view and identify the element where the new graphic page should be located. In our example, it's the air handling unit. So, go back one level up and click to the air handling unit icon. Here we can find the semantic tag that is associated by the system to this element, which is in our example equip, and, by clicking on it, this is also automatically copied into the clipboard. As explained in the related tagging model video in this e-learning, for the NGA automation controllers, the semantic tags may be not enough to be used in the system filters, so we strongly recommend to use the short names, or, even better, the node subtype property. So, click on the third option, and take note of the property you want to use for the graphic on filter. In our example, we take note of the node subtype, HU21. Then go to Tools, Configure Graphics, and Add. Type a name for the new graphic. It is possible to select a template for the new graphic, like in our example, the AHU, and there are two options that define where the graphic should be available. Show graphic for this site means that it will be visible only under this specific element, which is this air handling unit. When selecting Show graphic for sites like this, the graphic will be visible for all the air handling units in the configuration. Continue with Next. In the graphic on filter, we specify on which element type this graphic will be available. As we want to get this graphic on the air handling unit element type, the tag site is not valid, so we delete and we paste the tag we previously copied on the clipboard, equip. But, as mentioned, this is not enough in case of NGA devices. So, by using Boolean operators, we add more restrictions, typing a string for further properties. For example, we add the node subtype. Here, it is extremely important to follow a syntax. The property name must be written in the proper way, respecting uppercase and lowercase letters. Then the property name is followed by a double equal sign, then the value is specified in quotation marks. The graphic on filter can be edited later on in case we need to change the rule. Continue now with Next. In this dialog box, it's possible to select the items or elements of the air handling unit which should be part of the graphic. Or we can proceed without specifying any element, so that can be done directly in the graphic builder. Confirm with Next. The page is now open in the graphics builder, with the template as a starting point for further editing. When we click on Save Graphic from the menu, we find again the graphic on filter string we previously defined, and here it can be edited if necessary. Once the graphic is saved, it is necessary now to enable it to use it.